So if you've decided you have to pull out your stitches, here's how we're going to do this. You need some sharp scissors, a pair of tweezers, and most of this we're actually going to be working from the back. So on this woven rose stitch, the first thing we're going to do is trim the knot. Cut the knot off the thread and then carefully pull up these stitches that you can see behind the fabric and cut them. You can see that I'm carefully lifting them with the tweezers and then cutting the threads. And sometimes as you're doing this, you'll be able to pull a length of thread through the fabric. That's okay, just make sure you're doing it gently. And then on the woven rose, when you flip it around, you'll see you have like the little ball left over. Take your scissors and trim the center string and then trim the next piece. Don't trim too close to your fabric because you'll risk cutting it. So I trimmed about 1/2 centimeter above, and then when I pull the thread, most of it just comes out easily. And then I scratch it a little bit just to make the holes go back to where they were. Then for this continuous stitch, I just pick up each stitch individually with the tweezers and trim the string. French knots are surprisingly fun, so pinch the knot with the tweezers and cut the thread beneath it. For stitches that are more complicated, like the leaf stitch, you're going to have to do a little bit more work. So I flipped it over and I'm cutting from the back, and I'm just cutting in segments as I see the string, cutting as many pieces as I can. Then when I flip it over, I'll be able to pull off loose segments of string down the leaf. Now I'm going to take my scissors and just gently go beneath the string, again being careful not to cut the fabric. And now that everything's loosened up, I can just pull these strings right out from the front. So hopefully you don't have to spend too much time picking out stitches, but if you have to, now you know how to do it without damaging your fabric.